I'm trying.
Yay.
What's good, fam? How y'all doing today? Right now, you might think, oh man, I'm in a different environment from what I used to be. If you're looking from the title, I'm over here at Big Bend to do some camping trip with some friends right now. This is day 2. So before I let y'all know where we're at the moment, I'm gonna take it back y'all to the first day and show y'all some clips back then.
I was thinking getting the wood and like strapping it to the top. Oh my god. Yeah, we have to wait before it's talking to get wood. So what do you think? Should we grab wood?
No.
Up to you. I mean, I can't. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is
Are you good?
I can't cut.
Say whatever you want.
I can't.
Smack my like the drum.
Woo! Oh, and he twerking too.
Not him arching his back.
I know, right? What do you think of this expectation for this trip?
One of us is not making it back.
I vote Adrian.
Don't say that.
We
Someone's
camping, but
gonna
we took
bring
the whole house with us. Basically.
Thank you. God. Camping's supposed to be simple life. What y'all doing?
Look at your truck.
That wasn't my idea. You want to see what I brought?
Yeah.
Necessities is this. That tent, that's a necessity.
Yeah.
We could do without chairs, we could do without an air mattress, for God's sake.
There's an air mattress?
Yes. And my bag is under here. That's it.
Okay, sorry you like to live life comfortable. You literally wash your face with hand soap.
Got him! Got him!
Oh my god, damn. How do you know that?
Show the skin, Chris. Look at the flawless skin.
I didn't have the freaking bags, those things, so I just in case.
Oh,
Good. Alrighty. Chillin'. Alright, man. It's pretty windy in here. Can you give us some wind?
Jenny.
Some slow mo hot.
We take a bet. It's all about the center on the count of 3. Everyone vote who grows their ankle first. One,
Oh, we're gonna
two.
point?
Huh?
We're gonna point?
On 3 point. 1, 2, 3.
wait, someone else.
Alright.
Who won? Not because
Jenny won.
Alright, Jenny, Regina, close.
She's at.
you just couldn't. Wait, don't
But you want to be in
Lots
it?
of my memories every year. I like
Why
to
don't you
see-
just put it on his thingy and
It's
like
fine.
self-timer?
It's fine.
Self-timer.
Self-timer, get in it.
Oh my
Fine.
gosh.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
What are we yelling?
Big bet.
Big wood
Hey,
bed.
Risha.
1, 2, 3. Big
Big
bet.
Ben!
Yes, alkaline water tastes better. You heard it here first.
Yeah, whatever. So where are we at, Jenny? Where are we at?
At Bucky's and Katie.
What are we gonna get? Some snacks?
I wonder if it's good. What is it?
No, brisket. I mean, brisket is always good.
Really? You know if any of these are good?
What are they?
Adrian's always hungry.
Hit those tacos.
These are good.
Oh, thank you, sir. No problem, brother. Oh, look at that. Oh, somebody walking on merch. Gonna do a little mini photo shoot later. So where are we going, Jenny?
We're going to Prada Marfa.
Ooh, what time is it right now?
It is 7:45.
The makeup.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 7:45. Like another 2 hours from here.
Yeah, another 2 hours. Maybe a little less, to be honest.
And then what we're gonna do after that?
We're gonna go. Well, we're supposed to go camping, and then we're gonna go hike Santa Elena Canyon.
Fun. Early morning, you know.
Yeah.
But
I think we'll start hiking. I'm gonna try to get there around like 1 o'clock. Because it takes like an hour from the campsite to, or from the hiking place to the campsite, like an hour.
And then we get to relax. We get the campsite.
Yeah.
Set up everything.
Yeah.
Man, y'all don't realize how much stuff we bought. Like we bought so much stuff. Like it's ridiculous. Like we went and bought an air mattress last night.
We were debating buying like a flat screen TV.
Here's a bad thing. We're going on camping, but they got power. So it's kind of good and bad. So we're like, oh, we'll bring a light. We'll bring this and this. So
Yeah, at this point, it's not even camping.
it's not even camping, literally. The essentials.
The essentials.
The steckies.
This is the essentials.
And the liquors.
The liquors, yeah.
Everything else not essential.
Yeah.
Food.
Yeah, not liquor, juice. Apple juice. Oh, thanks, guy, for helping me move to a different state. Thank you so much. I have so much stuff. Y'all didn't have to really drive, like 10 hours away, but I appreciate it.
Thank you, Daddy.
Whoa!
You might.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go take a picture.
All right, babe. Tell the people where we're at.
We're in Prado Marfa,
AKA the
middle of freaking nowhere.
friggin' nowhere arts installation Prada store, fake Prada store over there. Show y'all
It's
in a little
actually
bit.
real. I think there's actually real Prada stuff in there.
I don't know, but we're here in the middle of nowhere. Day 2. It's a tumbleweed. Yeah, we got up early, getting ready on stuff. It's 8 of us, and now the first thing on the list of today is we're here to take some pictures, look around, check it out since we're already here. And then after that, we're gonna go on a mini hike. It's about a hour hike.
I'm about to go take that tumbleweed, take a picture of it.
Take a picture.
You got the Chris.
Tumbleweed, dude. Shit,
take
I
it
see
home with you,
cartoons. Now it's a reality.
Let it roll, let it roll.
You're like this.
Oh, that was disappointing. Nope, still not going.
Do it over there.
Oh yeah, let's do it, dude.
How do you? Yeah.
Run backward.
I'm trying.
No, stop. Do this. Like hop this way and lean backward.
Oh yeah, that's too much work.
Joe, you got this.
I got it, Gucci.
Yeah, I'm on the rocks.
You almost had it. You gotta lean more. Yeah,
Oh,
lean
go.
more backward. What do you think about it so far, Chris?
It's hot.
Tomorrow I'm not bringing that though.
For that, I know. For that.
Yes, and I just like go to the gas station and just put the whole thing of ice.
Damn.
It's gonna melt as we go.
5 minutes later, we're all dying.
Put a timestamp on the video.
I know. Yay! Group picture. Yay! Next thing you know, die. Oh, don't worry. I'll put a stop.
Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch. bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes. Pull up, I'm fucking shit, that's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight, my bad bitch, if she do it, I stay so. 2 big 40s in a big.
It's cold, but then after a while, it's like,
Yeah, that's alright.
man, look at
One where
this.
you're in the middle and one where you're off right.
What's the place called? Saint. Zelda Island. Yeah.
I think so. Virginia.
Why?
We made it to the first hike.
We did it!
On 3.
We did it!
Big
Ankles
Ben.
rolled!
On 3, Big Ben.
No heat stroke!
1, 2, 3. Big Ben!
That was Lucas' fault.
We gotta work on that.
Yeah, we
I would've done bad every time.
Baby, if I'm coming straight, my bad bitch, if she do it, I stay so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Hold up, before, not a blueberry Fago. My folks go and we straight to the store shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes. Pull up, I'm fucking shit, that's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight, I'm on my niggas, yeah. We some rock stars and I'm on my niggas, yeah. KK walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag. I'm that nigga, huh? Got me some cash. Rolling out some cash. Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck same.
We in this.
I swear.
We in this.
Oh, very hard.
We in this. Got that Barbie going. Got that Barbie going.
So the rice is inedible.
Wait, hold on.
All right, Chris, what you cooking, Chris?
Rice.
Rice.
Fire.
You know, us Asians.
Chris and I got the fire going.
Because I'll be in a
All right, Jenny, can you tell us the fam? What are you cooking right now?
Making short ribs.
What are you marinated with?
The pre-made.
You made marinade.
That's right.
Hey, keep it simple. Keep it simple.
Work smarter, not harder.
Look at that. You probably can't tell the sunset.
in hydrogen peroxide.
To drink.
Let me see if I can show you the sunset.
Is that okay, sir?
I need to drink water. I'm so dehydrated.
Bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Hold up, before, not a blueberry Fago.
Fast forward everything. Came here with some friends to Big Bend National Park. We're doing a camping this campsite for 2 days, and then the last day we're gonna go to this dome campsite thing. That's pretty cool for 1 night, and then tomorrow. But today we did a mini hike, and like an hour hike at Santa Elena, something like that. But right now we're just setting up everything. We're gonna eat some food, chill, drink. You know how it goes. Tomorrow we're trying to do a big 10-hour hike. Hopefully we won't die, but you never know. And I think that's it. Yeah, tomorrow big hike, up the whole day, and then the day after that, hot spring, and maybe another hike, and then that big dome campsite. So we're gonna enjoy the night, show you some clips here and there, and I'm gonna try to take some astro photography, you know, the one with the stars, hopefully. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Somebody
Is that
give
everybody?
us a speech, Jenny.
Jenny.
Speech.
Thank you guys for coming. I know it's a long drive. I know it's hard getting over here, but thank you guys.
Time to get messed up now, really.
Don't cry.
On 3, softly, Big Ben, softly. 1, 2, 3.
Big Ben.
I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more.
Alright. I got it. Can you explain to us what's going on right now?
I don't even know. I don't even know anymore.
So what's happening? There's this blue tent right here. It's about to fly away. Mary said you're gonna end up in Kansas. You got this orange tent. It's a little more secured down. I think we're just gonna all have to pile into that one. Make sure you don't flag your lights.
Oh my God. Okay, I gotta go fix this. So strong. We have to fix everybody's tent. Wind is crazy right now. And I'm over here cooking ramen.
What? He uses his hand as a plate.
That's what it is, bro.